Everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to add an extra layer of security to your Phantom wallet. While Phantom doesn't offer traditional two-factor authentication, you can still improve your account protection using built-in features. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Phantom wallet on your device. Once you're in, go to your profile or account section at the top of the screen. From there, look to the top right corner and click on the settings icon. Inside the settings menu, navigate to the Security and Privacy section. Here, you'll find options related to your wallet's safety, including your recovery phrase. If you haven't already created one, you can generate it by following the on-screen instructions. This recovery phrase is extremely important. It acts as a backup to restore your wallet if you ever lose access. Make sure you store your recovery phrase securely and never share it with anyone. Treat it like your most sensitive password. By setting up and protecting your recovery phrase, you're effectively adding a strong extra layer of security to your Phantom wallet. That's all for this guide. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.